Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna see how we can fix an issue of our Windows PC. So the issue is that while browsing on internet, I was facing this error HTTP status code 504. So in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So the following error code indicates that the server was either acting as gateway or it did not receive the timely response, and that's why the server was unable to complete your request. Now in order to fix it, first of all reload the web page and make sure to check your internet connection. You can even run a troubleshooter to check whether your network is working properly or not. To run a network troubleshoot, first of all go to settings, go to system, and there you will see an option of troubleshoot. Click on it and again you will see an option of other troubleshooter. Simply open it and here you will see an option of network and internet. Simply click on run, and after the completion of process you will know about the issue related to your internet. Secondly, try to use a different web browser or try to use the incognito mode of the browser. Also make sure to check your proxy settings. To check your proxy setting, open settings, go to internet, go to proxy, and from there you can even set up a proxy after disabling this button. So these were the ways you can try to fix your issue, but most probably you have to wait. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.